both want to be in it, huh? Yeah?
Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today I'm here with Tiara, Jack, and Tiffany. Guess which one is which?
I'm Jack.
It's been a while since I've seen Tiffany actually. She came into my bar a couple months ago and got a couple beers. I met Jack there and I was just so overwhelmed with the cuteness. I mean, look at him. Now I'm meeting Tiara, and she's an old girl, but she's so sweet. She's like trying to get away. I'm like, nope. Oh God, there's so much fur on my pants.
Yeah, I was gonna.
That's okay. Since I last saw you, what have you been up to?
Traveling just a little bit, not a lot. Family stuff.
Any favorite places you've been?
Went to Louisiana for the first time. That was interesting.
Oh.
But it was fun.
You have any interesting drinks while you were down in Southern cocktail culture?
A daiquiri for the first time ever, but it was good. But
Yeah.
it was very fruity. That's not usually my style.
Oh, a good classic daiquiri, just rum, lime juice, and simple syrup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, that was not anything like that.
So those kind of daiquiris aren't your thing. What kind of things do you usually like drinking then?
I'm pretty boring. Tito's and water.
My job today is either really simple or really difficult, so
I'm excited though.
I need to make something more interesting than a Tito's water. So, you ready to see what I can make for you?
Let's do it.
Cool. You ready?
Are you ready?
Are you asleep? As far as I could find, the only alcohol available was beer and wine. Side note, does anybody else have a thermometer in their fridge? Since we're working with beer and wine, we'll ignore these creamier things and grab this lemon and this orange. We'll also need a little sweetness, and maybe we'll add a little kick with either this hot sauce or mustard. But we'll definitely use this ice ball, even if it's a little inappropriate. We're going to make a quick reduction with this red wine, adding Mrs. Butterworth and some orange and lemon zest. Let that cook down. I thought about adding these spices, but I didn't really want to cook in the spice, so I left it out for now. After we reduce it, we'll put the lemon juice and the reduction together in a tin with just a little bit of mustard and whip that up with some ice. Give that a taste, strain it over the ice ball, and then carefully float the beer over top. This layered look was perfect for a little picture. We know she likes the look of the drink, but for the taste, let's see what Tiffany thinks. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, you're coming back to me? This drink is now yours, so taste it, see if you can figure out what's in there.
It's good. I like it. Check what's in here. Wanna try it?
Oh, no!
Okay, Jack says fruit. Is there some kind of fruit? Elysian orange, and I have no idea what else.
If I told you this was modeled after a shandy, would that mean anything to you?
No.
Okay. This drink is modeled after the shandy, which is usually basically lemonade and beer.
Lemon juice, beer, and some kind of fruit. Orange. That's all I got.
Really?
Yes. Did you put wine in here also? Maybe blueberry probiotic.
Oh, I kind of wish I had used that,
Oh,
but
really? Shoot.
would have been slightly healthier. You ready for me to tell you what's in there?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna start with the easy part of a beer cocktail. You need to go with mommy.
Come here.
Aww. Elysian Space Dust IPA. So usually a shandy is gonna have a much lighter beer, usually a pilsner or a lager. It's about making a boozy, bubbly lemonade. Thankfully, this is not just a shandy. There are other couple of interesting flavors in there. With a shandy, you've got to have some lemon juice.
Okay, I got that right.
You did. Drinks with fresh citrus, the best. You can't beat it. You can substitute, it won't be the same. This drink wouldn't be nearly as good. So you'll notice that there's a little boo-boo on this lemon, and that's because I didn't use just the juice of this lemon. I used the peel of the lemon as well as the peel of the
got that
orange.
right, too.
You did.
Did I?
Yeah. I'm surprised you even said orange. I expected it to be such a subtle thing. Lemonades have sweet, because otherwise you're just drinking lemon juice. And some people can do that, but
Not
it's
me.
not fun.
Not
Yeah. The syrup ingredient was,
Actual syrup.
yeah, Mrs. Butterworth. Light syrup. Not as calorific as the original syrup. 55% fewer calories, in fact. As delicious as Mrs. Butterworth is, it wasn't the only thing I added to make this. It might start tasting different as you get below the
I
ice
know.
ball,
I'm
actually.
excited actually to see.
Yeah, oh, that's where all the flavor is.
Oh wow!
Let's see if this is better or worse now.
Oh wow! That tastes way different.
Oh, wow. No, that is so much more complex than it was earlier.
Oh, yeah. It's so good though. It's still really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like a totally different drink.
Yeah. It looks like a totally different drink too. So that purple color isn't just from Mrs. Butterworth. I added another alcoholic component to this thing, but I made it non-alcoholic, mostly. What I did was I cooked the Mrs. Butterworths and the zest with some red wine.
His face popped out so fast. He said,
Red wine! I cooked this down a little bit to reduce it with the syrup to thicken it up and just add all those fruity, nice flavors from this ambiguous varietals. I don't know if it harmonizes, but it kind of dances with everything in there.
Pretty.
It had nice ombre earlier, but now it's just a nice, solid,
Yes,
deep
it is.
purple.
I like it.
Ombre is in, but tasty drinks are better.
Yes.
So there's actually one more thing that I added, not to throw things off, but just to add a little punch to this thing. Slightly bitter from the Elysian, fruity from the wine, sweet from Mrs. Butterworth's. And somehow I felt like that still wasn't enough, so I added a tiny, tiny, tiny amount of Dijon mustard.
No.
If there's a little slight burning sensation in your mouth, that is probably what it is. So guys, that's Tiffany's kitchen drink, where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Remember to drink responsibly. Bye. Bye, TT.
Yeah. See you later.
Cheers. Welcome to Arleo's cocktail classes on the kitchen drink. Oh god, now I have to make a little infographic for that. Okay. And a little song. Welcome to cocktail classes on the kitchen drink.